How to reverse using the automatic car. For reversing using the automatic car is very simple because certain things are automatically set. As a matter of fact, some of the automatic cars, the mirrors are already properly adjusted, set for you. Some of the automatic cars also use camera for reversing. So we are going to look at how to use the mirrors first to reverse using the automatic car. Then after that, we'll come and use the camera, how to use the camera to reverse. How to use the mirrors to reverse in the automatic cars. Some cars, as I said, the exterior mirrors are properly adjusted or set for any driver who sits on that driver's seat. And then only the interior mirror that you need to set. Those which are not properly set, the exterior mirrors, you have to set it. Some have a mirror setting where you open the key or you start the car and you set it by, we have mirror forward, backwards, sideways, downwards. Then you use your finger to point them and direct them. The mirror will be setting for you. Some too have like ear handle. Then you use it to turn like this and then to set it in such a way that you can see the doors handle, the front and the back doors handles of your car properly. Why do we say so? In case any hazard is getting closer to my door handle, I'll know where to reposition to. Then if you are able to set all these mirrors films, then the next thing for you to do is, you have already fastened your seatbelt, everything set. The next thing for you to do is press on the brake pedal and then start your car. When you start your car, engage the reversing gear by pressing the button and dragging it to the R level and leaving it. The R gear is the reversing gear. When you drag it there, let the cursor or the light point on it, then you leave it. When you leave it, start watching your interior mirror and your exterior mirror. If it is a straight reversing you are going to do, you watch your exterior mirror to see the hazard on the start and side of your exterior mirror, and then the interior mirror to see the tail end. And then the hazard will tell you whether you should open up or you should close. If I steer to my right, I'm closing to my right. The tail will be getting closer to the hazard on my right. And on my left will be opening up. That means it will not be getting closer to the hazard. If I want it to close up, then I'll steer to my left. And steering to my left or balancing it to my left, then that left side will be closing to the hazard and the right hand side will be open up. You keep on doing this till you move away from it. But if you are able to gauge it, you can't get both side and side to be equal, but at least one side will be bigger than the other side. Then you maintain it and use your interior mirror and you go straight. That is how we use the mirror when we are reversing using the automatic car. We'll soon come back to look at how to use the camera to reverse when we are using automatic car or using cars which have the cameras for reversing. Thank you very much. Keep on watching us.